1999 Honda Odyssey. As you can see, the vents are not blowing. Customer's concerned. You might get a little bit of blow by on this left vent. You can feel the cold air coming out, but it's mostly working up here on the defrost. Well, how do we fix that? As you can see, it's on auto face. Should be blowing right through that vent. Do you have this problem? First of all, you're going to need that size. Doesn't appear that it's very clear. I don't get it. Anyway, it's a 962, 932. It's a 930 seconds. Anyway, it's a 930 seconds. Get you a 930 seconds, 1/4 inch ratchet in 930 seconds. There you go. That'll fit these little tiny screws. They're holding that piece in. Come underneath where the driver's gas pedal is and look straight up. See that wire? This attaches right up there against the wall. Unplug it. Take the screws out. There's a little tiny metal rod that comes down to this point. There's a little lock sleeve right here. Make sure you snap it in the right way without breaking it. Now this happens to be for floor vent. See how I put that up? Make sure that's facing up if you want vents upstairs. Now this rod and that assembly up there, you take and pull it down. All right, now let's go see if we've got some vents. Okay. There it is, blowing really strong out of the vents. Oh, that feels better. I'm sure this has helped somebody. So, what I'm seeing here, since all there is a click when I do the mode door, this part right here is bad. Replace the part. Now, you may have to go to Honda because AutoZone claims they don't have one. There's another one, however, underneath the passenger floorboard, under that side, right up under there. And all of them work together for this mode. For all the mode doors, they work together. Just so you know. So there's where you want to find your problem. So you want to disconnect this rod when you take it apart. If you want to verify it's broke or stuck, you can open it. The first thing you want to do is get a screwdriver and come right down on that tab. See that little tab right there? Push real hard. At the same time, pry this piece and just pop it like that. After doing that, you'll be able to take that piece off. See, it sits in that like a lock. Now that you got that off, the only other thing in our way are these little tiny locking tabs. 1, 2, 3. We're going to take a look inside. Okay, so there's actually 4 of those tabs. Just look really close, but after you pry it up, you'll be able to push that gear down. There's the little motor that works the assembly. It's on this side. You just set that to the side. Now we're going to look for the reason that it did what it did. There's a little gearbox. And from what I see, the contacts are underneath this box. You look at that. Look how dirty and grimy they are. Some of them actually look burnt up. Let me get a close look, see? So there's little contacts that's telling the wheel to tell the computer board, or tell the computer board to tell the wheel what to do, and they look grimed up too if you look at the ends of it. There's a burnt one right there. So it appears to me either the company or someone else got in there and tried to put some grease on it, and it ended up drying up and causing more problems. I don't know what they put in these, so I can't just give you any advice on that. But there's an electronic part over here in the corner too. No telling what it does. So you set this back down. As you can see, there's a little lock on it. Right there. Right there. It's going to have to go on there in that little angle. As you put that wheel back on and line it back up, you're going to have to make sure it goes in that hole right there, so this board can line back up. I'm going to try to wipe it off and see what I get, but the whole thing's not working, so I have a feeling all I get is a click. The little motor that's on the other side of this piece right here is probably burned up, and that's what actually turns your wheels. See the little screw looking thing right there? That grabs onto this, turns this turns that turns that, and then you've got so many parts moving around that it's just too much tension. And especially up there, not having those greased, there's too many things to move around for this tiny little motor. So anyway, good luck with yours. I hope I've helped you. If you don't want to buy one, you can manually just push that up and leave it like that. Nothing's going to move, and that's the way you do it. You can get your cold air back out of your vent. Thanks for joining the Mobile Car Doctor. Talk to you later.